Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provide two-factor authentication for Drupal, and as we know, that is the best solution available in the market. How do I enable inline registration or two-factor authentication for all the Drupal users? Register or log in here to activate the module. Navigate to Login Settings tab. Click Enable Two-Factor checkbox to enable the module. If you disable this checkbox, second-factor authentication will not invoke for any users during login. Click on checkbox to enable Enforce two-factor authentication for users at login time. Then scroll down and click on Save Settings button to save your configuration. Let's try to log in. Go to the login page of your Drupal site. Log in with the user for which you want to set up 2FA. Select any authentication method as per your choice. Then click on Next button. Scan the QR code in the Okta Verify Authenticator app, and enter the generated token. Then click on Submit button. 2FA for user was successfully configured. You can configure the backup 2FA method, KBA, from 2FA Configuration tab under User Profile. Let us see how it works. Open a new browser or private window and go to your Drupal site. Log in with the user which you have configured the 2FA. Enter the passcode generated at the Okta Verify app and click on Verify button. User has successfully logged in with 2FA. Congratulations, you have successfully configured 2FA method by using inline registration. If you have any questions and concerns, or in case you need any sort of assistance in configuring our module, please reach out to us at drupalsupport@securify.com. Thanks for watching.